Get ready to witness something extraordinary. Today, we're not just looking at a fighter jet, we are standing face to face with a masterpiece of modern aviation, reimagined in pure white elegance. This is the white edition of the JF-17 Thunder, and trust me, you've never seen it like this before. If you're a true fan of aviation, power, and engineering beauty, then you're in for a real treat. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of the journey. Welcome to Car Updater, where machines come alive, whether they rule the roads or dominate the skies. Now let's step inside this exclusive aircraft showroom, where one of the most iconic fighter jets ever built is now stealing the spotlight, not on a battlefield, but under showroom lights. The JF-17 Thunder, also known as Pride of Pakistan, was developed through a collaboration between Pakistan and China. It's a multi-role combat aircraft designed to perform everything from interception to ground attack with agility, speed, and precision. But today, it's wearing a whole new identity, a flawless, white finish that makes it look like a futuristic concept rather than a combat machine. Everything about this display screams respect, craftsmanship, and pride. Take a look at that nose, sharp and focused. The intake design is clean, the lines are aggressive yet elegant. The canopy is clear and tinted, giving it a tactical but stylish vibe. The body flows smoothly all the way to the dual tail fins, balanced like the wings of a falcon, ready to take flight. And let's not forget what's hidden under that pristine skin. The JF-17 is powered by a Claymore Road 93 turbofan engine, pushing this jet to speeds beyond Mach 1.6. That means it can easily outpace the sound barrier and turn the sky into its playground. It's armed with air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and equipped with digital fly-by-wire systems, giving the pilot full control in high-speed maneuvers. But this white edition, it tells a different story. This version isn't just about firepower, it's about symbolism. It's about showing the world that the JF-17 isn't just a weapon, it's an icon. One that's evolving in style, in performance, and in international reputation. It's like looking at a warrior in a tuxedo. Deadly, but elegant. This isn't just aviation, this is art. And that's what makes this moment so special. So the next time you hear about the JF-17, don't just think of it as a fighter jet. Think of it as a flying symbol of independence, innovation, and identity. Thank you for watching this exclusive feature. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater for more jaw-dropping content from the world of machines that move us. Until next time, this is Car Updater, where steel meets soul. See you in the next video.